Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. The present matter has been placed before this court for adjudication upon the grievances raised by the petitioner against the action of the respondent authority, which is alleged to be unjust, arbitrary, and contrary to the established principles of law. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the impugned action has been taken without following the due procedure prescribed under the relevant statutory provisions and therefore deserves to be quashed. Stop. It is further submitted that the petitioner has been deprived of a fair opportunity of being heard, which amounts to a violation of the principles of natural justice. Stop. Per contra, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondents has contended that the action taken is strictly in accordance with law and after due consideration of all relevant facts and circumstances. Stop. It is also argued that the petitioner has suppressed material facts and therefore is not entitled to any equitable relief from this court. Stop. This court has carefully considered the submissions advanced by the learned counsel for the parties and has also perused the material available on record. Stop. Upon such consideration, this court is of the view that the impugned action cannot be sustained in its present form. Stop. It appears that the authority concerned has failed to take into account certain relevant aspects which have a direct bearing on the outcome of the case. Stop. Furthermore, the absence of a proper hearing to the petitioner vitiates the decision-making process. Stop. In view of the above, the impugned action is hereby set aside and the matter is remitted back to the competent authority for fresh consideration in accordance with law. Stop. The authority shall ensure that a reasonable opportunity of hearing is granted to all concerned parties and shall pass a reasoned and speaking order dealing with all the contentions raised. Stop. It is clarified that this court has not expressed any opinion on the merits of the case and all issues are left upon. Stop. The petition is accordingly disposed of along with any pending applications with no order as to costs. Stop. The parties are directed to appear before the authority on the date fixed and extend full cooperation for early disposal of the matter. Stop. Delay shall not be encouraged. Stop. The authority shall also ensure that the matter is decided expeditiously, preferably within a period of 8 weeks from the date of receipt of this order. Stop. Compliance shall be reported to this court without fail. Stop. All concerned shall act accordingly. The record be returned immediately. Stop. Registry shall ensure compliance. This order shall take effect immediately and shall remain binding on parties. Stop.